Okay, ma'am. So have any doubt in last section, like I mean, like basic section? Any doubt in basic section? Sorry, yesterday I will not sharing one document actually. That's I already shared. 1 second. Yeah, I'm not sharing that document. Okay, so which one? So now I am share you the document in group. Okay, HTML tutorial. So please check everyone the document. Okay, have received right? 1 second. Yeah, now it's please check. Okay. So any other doubts in last section, ma?
No, sir.
Yeah. So did you understand? Okay, right. And what about that I mean, like yesterday I'll give you one website, na W3 schools. In W3 school, please refer that HTML, na. So how many employees can refer actually?
Yeah, I just
Are,
saw some videos about that, like
okay,
HTML
okay, ma.
basics, styles, attributes, and all.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay. So please refer on full training. Okay. So on the full training, please refer those tutorial. Okay. And I'll send that HTML tutorial also. Okay. So please refer in group. Okay. The document. Just download the document and please refer. Okay. Yeah. So those are all concepts we have very important. Okay, na, for HTML. Okay. Na? So for list concept and table concept and whatever. Okay. Like figure concept, everything. It's very important. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Right. Okay then. So coming to here actually. So I share my screen. Okay. So this is epsilon. Okay. So epsilon shortcuts already we noted. Okay. Now. So one update actually. Whenever we open the epsilon, if there is any file, just you put like a new window. Okay. So you set a new window. Okay. Once you hit the new window, it's new window will open. Okay. So whenever we open the new window, we given two commands actually. Okay. We must given two commands. Actually, it's must actually. The first command is like a fundamental mode. Just note it down. I will show you 1 second. So the command shortcut is alt text. Alt text for command shortcut. Those everything the actions comes in bottom only. Okay, in epsilon the actions comes in the bottom only. Okay, so in epsilon the actions comes in bottom only. Okay, so right. Any other doubts? So the actions comes in bottom only. So for the first command is fundamental mode. Just note it down. The first command is fundamental hyphen mode. So the first command is fundamental mode. Okay, just enter. So it's activated. Okay, so it's activated for this window. And the second command, the already we know the command shortcut is alt text. The second command should be HTML mode. Just note it down. So the second command should be HTML mode. So the second command should be HTML mode. So then enter to activate this window. Okay. So right. So whenever we open a new window, it's very important, ma. So whenever we open a new window, so we should declare those two commands. Okay. So whenever we open the new window, we should declare those two commands. Okay. First one is fundamental hyphen mode, and second one is like a HTML hyphen mode. Okay. So the for some so for command shortcut is like all text. For command shortcut is like all text. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, then. So then we can edit the XML or HTML, whatever. Okay. So we coming like a basic HTML. Okay. So the HTML, the opening tag should be like HTML tag. Okay. So HTML having a two parts. One is head part. Okay. So in head parts, we should declare only the title part only we should declare. Okay. And the head part is completed actually. Okay. So then the body part. So in between body part only, we should declare the whole design actually. Okay, the whole content. Whatever we design now, so you should declare in between body part only. Okay, so head part should be like information of the like HTML. Okay, right. So HTML having a two child. Is it clear? So HTML having a two child. So one is like head, another one is like body. Okay. So in head we have a information only, and in body only whatever we design we declared in body only. Okay, inside the body only, right? Any other doubts? Just note it down. One second. I'll open like one PDF, that PDF. I'll show you. See here. Okay. So it's HTML head and body. Okay. So head is like a title of the web page like that. Okay. One second. I'll show you. So structure should be like this. Okay. So HTML head and body. So the head having only the title. Okay. The body having the designing part. Okay. So the head section, the body section. Okay. Na? So right. Any doubts? Okay, so it's very important. Whatever you design, you have to declare into the body tag only. Okay, into the body tag. Okay. So right now the HTML having a two child, one is head and second child is body. Okay, now right? Just note it down.
Yeah, noted, sir.
Yeah, right. So now we can copy the content. Okay. So what is the designing file actually? I will show you. I'll show you one thing. So okay, na? So here the PDF, okay. So here the input of the PDF. So it's contained like 12 pages actually. Okay, so it's contained like 12 pages. So it's the PDF having a lot of concepts actually, figure and table and list. So we have a lot of concepts in the PDF. Okay. What is the first step of the PDF? Whenever we receive the PDF from client, what is the first step? Which one we explained in yesterday?
To
Word
check the
conversion.
spelling.
No, no, no. We check the spelling from PDF.
No, from we have to
Convert
convert
it
the
to
PDF to
Convert
word
it to
conversion
Word.
using Abby Find Reader.
using Abify.
Yeah. So we have to take into Abhi Find Reader. We have to convert PDF to Word. Okay. So after that only we have check the spellings. Okay. So we need a Abhi Find Reader. It's very must. Okay. So Abhi Find Reader. So open the Abhi Find Reader. So whenever they asking download or run program, use run program. Okay. So already we know it's a document language is auto select and take the PDF into the Abhi Find Reader. Okay, na? So it takes some time to convert. Whenever we receive the PDF, okay, na? So we have to convert PDF to Word ma due to text quality. Okay, that is very important, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So right. That's okay. Sorry. So here it is like a conversion. Okay, so it's left side is our PDF and right side is like a Word. Okay, so if you want to just take verification option right here. Okay, right now it's a training now, so that I will skip the steps actually. But whenever I mean you go to live now, when you go the live, you should follow these steps. Okay, now otherwise listen. If suppose the client given directly Word now, okay, so alternate for PDF directly Word, you don't no need for Abhi Find Reader, okay, right? So your client given a PDF, in your client given a PDF, then only we can convert PDF to Word, okay, due to the text quality. If suppose the client given directly Word now, so no need. You have to take the content from directly Word, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, no, sir.
Yeah, okay, done. And already told now, so verification. If you want to take verification, not want, just use it's must actually. But right now it's a training now, so it takes some more time to verify the whole file. So that's why we have to skip this step actually. Okay. So directly go to the saving option. So save the Microsoft Word document. Okay. So save the Microsoft Word document. So you can save the file right here. Just a minute. Yeah, listen. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So it's Word automatically converted. Okay, now listen. So this PDF actually, one second. So this PDF now, so it's automatically converted into Word. Okay. So it's not automatically, we have to convert, right? Yeah. See the paragraphs and sections and everything. Okay. It's coming like clearly actually. Okay. the clear structure with the structure it's coming. Okay. So after completing the word now, so for design, I mean for designing this PDF, we need to copy the text from Word. Okay, not a PDF. Okay, na. So for example, I will take this content right here to right here. I will take this 2-page only. Okay, na. I will take this 2-page only. Just copy the content from Word, take into the editor, where we paste actually, where we design the content, inside body or outside body, inside body or inside head actually.
Inside body.
Yeah, okay. The designing content, everything we should follow inside body. Okay. So just paste it right here and you can paste Control Y. Okay. So for copy the content from Word, we use Control C. Okay. Listen, it's very important. Okay. The difference between the shortcuts. The copy the content from Word, it's Control C. Okay. The paste the content from Epsilon, it's like a Control Y. Okay. So whenever you go like Word, use for that user-friendly shortcuts. Whenever you come into Epsilon, use for Epsilon shortcuts. Okay. Any other
Okay,
doubts?
sir. No.
No, sir.
Yeah. Now we can paste the content. Okay, just paste it. And here we need to declared paragraph tag for every paragraph. Okay, or every line or every paragraph. Open p tag right here and closing p tag. Yeah. Closing p tag and go to home and open p tag and go to end button. Use end button. It's coming end of the paragraph tag. Open paragraph tag and end of the paragraph tag and open paragraph tag and end of the paragraph tag and open paragraph tag and end of the paragraph tag and open paragraph tag and end of the paragraph tag. Again, every line or every paragraph we should declare like a open paragraph and closing paragraph. Is it clear? Any doubt? So any other doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. And if you want set your font size, actually, if you want set your, viewing font size, go to Windows, set font. Okay, here the option for set font. Okay, set font. Use set font if you want to increase your font size. Just I want to 22, well, little bit increase now. Just okay, now it could be increased. Okay, look like bigger. Okay, if you want to decrease the font size, just you go to right here and decrease your font size 16 or 18 something. Okay, like right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. And another thing, line wrap also. Change line wrap. In the same Windows option, use for say line wrap. See, it's like it's showing like this. Somewhere the paragraph now, the end of the screen actually, it's hiding inside of the window. Okay. It is not fair actually. So if you want like you go to the Windows, change line wrap. So it's showing the whole content in a single window because once the end of the window now, it's automatically break. It's coming the next line. Okay. Right. So this is called the change line wrap. Okay. So this is called change line wrapping. So is there any doubt?
We have to do this for each and every page. Each and every content should be copied like this.
Which one? Change line wrap or paragraph?
Paragraph.
Yeah. Each and every line or each and every paragraph, we should declare the p tag, open p tag and closing p tag, and copy the content from Word only, not a PDF. Okay. So because the
Yeah,
same
that's what.
the same content, yeah, the same content we have in PDF also. Okay. Listen, I'll show you. See, actually, see, this is a paragraph now after deregulation in 1979. The same paragraph is come this one. Okay, right? So this one is the same paragraph, right? Okay. Once we copy from the PDF directly, the content, okay, I will show you what is the problem. I will see. I will paste right here. It's look like a very decent now. This paragraph look like a very decent, right? I will declare right here. See, it look like a very clumsy. See, the not ending, everything should be a clumsy, and the text issue also coming. Okay, so that's why we can't take content from PDF. Okay, it should be issue. Okay, now, so that's why we want take from Word. Okay, so for designing, you can check with PDF only. Okay, not Word. For the Word will use for only we taking the content. Okay, so otherwise just close the Word. After taking the content, just close the Word. Okay, you want to design the PDF now, you just see the PDF and you can design as per PDF. Okay.
Okay.
So, right, any other doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, done. Now you can save the document using the saving option right here. Okay, the saved option right here. Okay, just using the save option. Wherever you want, just you have to save it. Okay, so wherever you want, create a new folder. I mean, anywhere. I'll create right here a new folder. Okay, so for XML practice something. Okay, so just open right here. I will save the file sample.html. Okay, so the form is HTML. It's very important. Okay, you can save the file right now. It's HTML because our process is XML actually. Okay, the basically our process is XML. Why we are saving HTML means in XML we can't see the browser output. Okay, we can't see the output actually in XML properly. Okay, so in XML we can't see the output in browser or properly, so that's why we I mean final stage na, so till the final stage we have to save the file name is HTML. Okay, the format is HTML. So this is the sample is like a file name. Listen, so the sample is like a file name, whatever you just you declared the file name. Okay, so most of things we have to use for input name. So this is my input, right? So this is my input. Just follow the input name for the file name. Follow the input name for file name. Okay. So follow the input name for file name, and the format is like a .html. Just note it down. So the format is like a .html format. So is this clear? I take it out. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, then the format is HTML format. Just save right here. Okay, the file name could be RSS underscore 52 underscore 1 underscore 19.html. Okay, the format is HTML right now. Just open the folder where we have the file. See here the file. Okay, it's not that one. 1 second. So I will show you. So I thought this one. 1 second. . this one. Okay. So RSSC 52 1.119.html. Okay. So just to open this file, give enter. Okay, its file will opening. Okay, so see here. So the introduction, the file will be completed. Okay, this is the output actually. So is there is any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any other doubts? Okay, just note it down as per your knowledge. Actually, just note it down. This is a program, HTML program, basic HTML program. Just note it down. Yeah, noted.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah. Okay, ma. So, so this is a HTML file. Okay, and actually the shortcut actually. Okay, so already we know a little bit of shortcuts for output. Okay, for taking output. So I mean this window directly this window now. So taking output Alt O. Okay, just to press Alt O. It's showing like this. Okay, D for delete, M for move, C for copy, V for view. Okay, so we want V. Okay, just after that Alt O, press first Alt O. After this V, Control V. So it's showing like a directly browser. Okay. Okay, na? So you know, right? This shortcut. Any other doubts? Alt O V. So once you update anything, listen. Once you update anything, just come here. It will be refresh option. Use the reload option, and it will be update automatically right here. Okay. Okay, done. So right now, next topic. Okay. So basic character tag. So basic character tags. Just note it that. So first one is like a bold tag, and second is like a italic, and the third one is like a superscript, and the fourth one is like a subscript. So just note it down. These four tags is like a basic character tags. So this 4 tags is like a basic. Okay, now. So noted. Yes. Yeah. So do you know what is bold tag? What is italic tag? Do you know what is bold character? Anyone? Anyone know? I'll show the PDF. So here, where is the bold character?
Introduction.
Yeah, super, ma. So the introduction comes like a bold character. Okay. So what about the italic? Where is the italic character?
In Georgia
Institute.
Institute of Technology.
Okay, okay, right. So this one is italic character. Okay, super. So what about the super tag? I mean, superscript and subscript. Do you know what is superscript and subscript? Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, super. Okay, first we'll complete like italic and bold. After that, we will discuss like a super. I mean, superscript and subscript. 1 second. Okay, for designing, so those 4 characters is like very basic. Okay, for designing the 4 characters is very basic. Okay, so if we have a this character text, if you have a design for this character, you should follow. Okay, for example, this introduction comes like a bold character, right? So this introduction comes like a bold character. So actually, in PDF, this introduction comes like bold na. So coming to output, there is nothing in bold. Okay, see this output na, there is no bold. So if you want bold, use B tag. Okay, just open the B tag and wherever the bold will complete na, the B tag will close. Okay, just save and go to the browser. And if you want update the output, use reload. Okay, if you want update the output, use reload. Is it clear? Any doubt? See here, the bold, it's coming. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. So on the next thing, where is the italic from this paragraph? We'll check the paragraph. So here, I thought it's like a italics. This line is italic, right? I mean this word. Okay. So where is the word actually? Just check the word. Otherwise, use Control S for search. Use Control S for search. Okay, Control S. Yeah, it's coming, right? So use I tag for italic. Open I tag, wherever the I tag, I mean, the I tag will complete now. So use I tag, closing I tag, okay? And another thing, there is another flight legs, okay? So Control S, FLI, flight legs. Is here the flight legs? Yeah, of course. So just open italic tag and the closing italic tag should be before dot, okay? So dot is not italic. and YM policy. Okay, right here the YM policy. So just YM policy. Okay, I thought this one. Okay, now just open italic right here and close italic right here. Okay, now is it clear? Any doubt for the first paragraph? So this is the same method we have to do the all paragraphs. Okay, now so where the basic the four characters now bold, italic, and the superscript and subscript. I will explain what is the super and sub. Okay, so let's see. So the save the document and you can check the output right here. So it's coming italic character and then italic character. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Sir, in that YM policy, it was like bold and italic both. So
Let's check.
yeah.
Actually, it's not bold and YM only look like a bold. Policy is like
Bold
italic,
also.
right? So, yeah.
Yes,
So if
yes.
you want bold, if you want bold inside the tag, you should declare a B tag for a YM only. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's automatically converted into bold and italic. Okay, the both.
Oh,
Okay, na?
okay. Sir.
Yeah. Is there is any doubt? So for designing for this PDF, match with PDF, not a word. Match with PDF, you should design the whole PDF, okay, the whole content. Every paragraph you should follow like a bold, italic, and subscript, superscript, okay. So we know like bold and italic. What is super and what is sub, okay. Let's see. First, we take a superscript. Okay, what is mean superscript? You know, right, a formula. Okay, in formula like supers, I mean, that one like x square, y square. Okay, now so that square now so that is a superscript actually. That two is a superscript. Okay, so you know right square actually a square b square. So the two is a superscript. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? I will show you. I will show you in Google actually. See, so in the picture now, so actually a square plus b square. Okay, now so the two is these two value is like a superscript. Okay, so these are two, it's like a superscript. Any doubt? Okay, so the same. If suppose subscript now, it's coming like a H2O some formula. I will show you H2O formula. So this H2O, see this two, it's a subscript actually. It's clear. Okay, na? So if suppose it's coming prefix na, it's a superscript. If suppose it's coming suffix na, it's a subscript. Okay, I mean down. It's coming the text coming like a top. It's like a superscript. The text coming like a bottom. It's like a subscript. Okay, so basically the superscript subscripts comes like a formulas only maximum. Okay, is it clear? So basically the superscript and subscript comes like a formulas only. Okay, na?
Okay,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, na? So let's see. I will show you in PDF. Okay. So in PDF, coming to here, see here actually a lot of subscripts. See, for X, the T is a subscript. Okay. For X, the 1 and the T is a subscript. For X, the NT is a subscript. For A, the I and the J is a subscript actually. For U, the T is a subscript. For D, JT is a subscript. Okay, na? I'll show you again. See, XK is a subscript. And coming to here, the lot of, see here, the both actually. Actually the P, the J is a superscript, the K is a subscript actually. Is it clear? Any doubt? So I will design one thing, I will show you. Once we design now, I thought you understand. Okay. So I'll make a one formula right here. So P tag X square. Okay. X for square now, the 2 now, 2 is a square, right? Use the 2 is a superscript tag. Okay. So the plus B, so sorry, plus Y. Okay. So the 4 value we want a subscript. Okay. So use the for the value sub tag and equal xy. So xy. So you want like a 6. The value 6. It's like if you want this one is a superscript, use superscript tag, sup tag for that one. Okay. And the closing p tag. See that one, I will show you the output. See here, it's a superscript, it's a subscript, and again the 6 is a superscript. Okay, na? Is it clearing it out? I'll show you one second. Yeah, see the compare. So the coding and the output. Just note it down. Yes. So noted, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So any other doubts in these four character tags?
No, sir.
Everyone. Okay, ma. So I will show you one design actually in the PDF. Okay. See here, actually, this is the design. Okay. So let's see the design how to do. Okay. So first, they want like a 1 second. See the output. Once again. Okay, na? 1 second. So this is output, right? This is input, right? So this design, okay. First, it's a capital A. It's look like a italic, right? Is it clear? So it's a capital A. It's look like italic and equal bracket. Inside the bracket, the A is italic actually. Okay, and the inside of the super tag, it's like a italic. Okay. So right here, while designing, we have to follow like capital A. Actually, this one is italic, right? So that's when we have to put italic right here and close italic. Okay. Then equal and then equal and a bracket. So if you want a bracket and A, normal A, the A should be italic. Sorry. So the A should be the italic. Okay, na? And after that, it's a super tag. Sorry, sub tag. Sub and IJ. I and J, the sub tag close. And the sub tag should be a italic. Inside the sub tag, it should be italic actually. So that's why we are given right italic right here. Okay, these are info, these are coding actually. We will show the output. See here the outputs comes, okay? So look like this one, right? Any doubt? For any doubt for this one? I will show you. Once again, sorry. Okay, now any other doubts? See, this is the same we have to do as for concept, okay? So, and the same method. Yes. Yes, what is the doubt?
Yes, Ilango, 1 second.
Yeah.
Sir, as you said, like for separately mentioning the I tag for AIJ, can't we
Oh.
enclose that in a single tag? Like I
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. Okay, you said it's very good idea. But what happened now? So here we have some child and parent method. Okay, once actually the here the HTML is a parent, so the child will be a body tag. Okay, body tag. So a body is a parent. It's a paragraph will be a child tag. Okay, and a paragraph is a parent. It's a super tag and sub tag. Okay, it's a super tag and sub tag. Okay, now listen. It's very important. Super and both super and sub is a parent. Okay. After that only it's coming like a italic and the bold. Okay, na? So right. So this is a concept actually. So that's why right here in between. Listen. Coming to here, the A is italic, but the equal is not italic. Okay,
Yes.
na?
Yeah.
So the A is italic, but equal is not italic. And the bracket also not italic. And this bracket also not italic. So that's why we can't give the whole italic to in beginning. Okay, na? And another thing, already told, okay, the sub tag is a parent for italic. Okay, na? So we have to open and open italic and sub in both character. We should follow this method only. See, this method only we should follow. Sorry, 1 second. So this method only we should follow. Okay, na? So we can't follow this method. We can't follow inside the italic. I mean, so super tag, sub tag, super or sub whatever. Okay, na? So here the super and sub is a parent only. It's not a child. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why it's coming inside the italic. I mean, inside the super tag, sub tag. Okay, right?
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir. Got it.
Yeah, right. But you asking is correct actually. Okay, but your thinking is correct. But as per method, na, so as per concept, HTML concept, we can't do like that because in between we have a equal and brackets and super tag also. Inside super tag only we use bold and italic. Okay, so if suppose open italic and bold, na, after inside the open, I mean open italic and bold inside the super tag sub tag not allowed. Okay. Any other doubts? No. Yeah, okay then. Next thing actually. So here we have a lot of occurrence. It's coming actually. See this one. We have to take this one. Okay. This one. Let's see. First, it's coming like a X, bold X. Okay, it's coming like a bold X. So given X for the bold tag, open bold tag, close bold tag, and the T is a sub tag, and this T is a sub tag coming by italic. Okay, using sub tag and open italic and T. close, subtag and italic, okay, and equal space and equal and the bracket, the open and close bracket inside italic x tag, okay. So italic x tag, italic x and super tag and sub tag, okay. So inside sub, one is normal, T is italic actually. So one T, but the one is normal, the T only the italic. So italic and subtag close, okay, and comma and dot, 3 dots and comma and again x, italic x. So italic x and it's a subtag and n and T it's like a italic. N and T it's like a italic. Okay, na? So the dot. Is it clear for this design? Actually, any doubt for this design? So any other doubts for this particular design?
No, sir, understood.
Everyone. Okay, the input comes this level of complexity only. Okay, na? So we do clearly inch by inch. Okay, we have to check the inch by inch and we have to confirm the inch by inch the design. Okay, and save the document. Sorry. Save the document and see that output right here. Refresh it. So it's coming as per clear concept. Okay, it's coming as per clear concept. Okay, na? So just note it, ma. As per your knowledge, just note it down. It's very important. Okay, I will keep it like right here. This is the output and this one is input. Start with here and start with here. Okay, this is the input and here this is the output. Just note it down. Yes, any other doubts? Yeah, okay, ma. Okay. So right now it's a character, I mean basic character tags, okay, na? So what about the tools, ma? Actually, do you have any tools for already installed, like Abi Find Leader or Epsilon? Yes, everyone.
Yeah, here
Do we
in applications,
Yeah.
we have Happy Finder is available.
Okay.
Other applications like not installed.
Okay. The Epsilon is not installed. Okay. I will help you to install. Okay, right now it's very simple. Epsilon. Okay, I will share you in group. Okay, so please download in group that application, and it's not an installed file actually. I will show you. See, actually, this is Epsilon. Okay, EPS 10. Okay, once you receive the software, just keep it any one folder. Okay, just keep it any one folder. Okay, and just open. I extract the file. It's opening like this, and open the EFC10 and the bin. Go to the bin option. Okay, just note it down. Okay, so go to the bin option. Just open the bin option, and inside the bin, just find epsilon.exe. It's application file. Okay. So inside the bin, just open epsilon.exe. It's an application file, okay? So is it the application file? So this is clear, right? Okay, now just what you do, like click the application file and right click and send to desktop shortcut. Create desktop shortcut. Just note it down. Create desktop shortcut. Okay, now so create desktop shortcut. So in desktop it's coming like this. Okay, in desktop it's coming like this. So whenever you want to open, just open it. Okay, directly. Okay, so whenever you open the directly, just click new window. Okay, click new window, and you should whenever you open the new window, you follow like the two commands. Okay, command shortcut is like a all text. Okay, so command shortcut is like a all text. Okay, na. So command shortcut is like all text. So that's it actually. So after that you have to do as it is and do one another setting actually. So everyone having like 11 OS or Windows 10 ma? Your
Windows
operating
11.
system is 11. Okay, so 11 na. Just any folder na, it's showing like this na. Just show full form. Okay, so here file name extension. Just enable your file name extension ma. It's very
Okay.
important. Okay. So
Okay.
just enable your file name extension. Otherwise, whoever having a Windows 10, so whoever having a Windows 10, just open the any folder now. It's showing like a view option in that place. In the inside view, it's showing like a file name extension. Okay, it's enable. We want like enable the file name extension. Okay, na. So we want then only the file extension we know it's HTML file or exe file or DLL file or HLP file, whatever. Okay. So we know that extension. We must know want that extension. Okay. So any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, na. So this I will give you the task. Okay, right now I'll give you a task. I'll give this PDF. Okay, I'll give this PDF. Do Word format. Okay, just do conversion for Word. Okay, just take content from Word and start with introduction. You have to complete like at least 5 pages. Okay. Once the equation is big equation, no need to do. Okay, so it's another concept. Okay, na? So once the equation is bigger, just you have to delete. I want only the paragraph. Okay, I want only the paragraph equations only, and I want only the paragraph designs. Okay, just convert PDF to Word and take content from Word and paste it to your Epsilon. Do every line and every paragraph as a p tag. Okay, so inside p tag, if you need italic, use italic design. Okay, wherever we need a italic design, you should declare. Wherever we need a bold design, you should declare. And wherever we need a super tag, subtag design, we need to declare. Okay, so this is the task. Okay, so at least 5 pages. I want at least 5 pages. So end of the day, na. So just you have to submit your file with your name actually. Okay, which means I will save the file name na rssc.html. Instead of that one, just use your name. Okay, for example, ilango.html like that. Okay, so and after completing na, just you should upload in your group. Okay, WhatsApp group. Okay, na. So I will check and let you know whoever make a mistake or whatever the quality issues. Okay. Any doubt? Any other doubts?
Yes, yes, we have. 1 second.
We have
Yeah.
to upload HTML or what file we need to upload, sir?
HTML. We want HTML file.
Okay. Like everyone
Okay,
has the first 5 pages, right?
Yeah. First 5 pages. I will give you this PDF in that group. Okay. Everyone has a first 5 pages. Start with introduction. Till end with like this page, this end of the paragraph. Okay. No need for this bigger equations. Okay. So no need for this bigger equations. Only the paragraph and their designs only we need.
No need for that footers and headers and all, right?
Yeah. That one also. No need for these footers and headers. Page numbers also no need. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
Can you share the software, sir? Because without the software, right?
Yeah, of course. Actually, I will share the software and this PDF, and I will share you that software shortcuts also in one notepad. Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
actually, Abby Fine Reader is not installed in my system.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Do one thing.
okay.
Whoever not installing the Find Reader, you just ask your colleague to convert PDF to Word. Okay. You take the Word. Okay. Anyone having a Find Reader, just convert this PDF. The Word that Word will be shared in that group. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. You start from Word onwards. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Any other doubts? Okay, ma. So make a practice. Okay. So have any doubts in this practice, just ping me on group. Okay. I will respond immediately. Okay. Thank you. So see you on next section. Bye.
Sure, sure.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So,